How is the investigation going?
No leads yet. But something really important must have changed. The trouble is, I can't remember what was altered.
I know what it is. It's right on the tip of my tongue.
What are you guys talking about?
I feel like I've forgotten someone important.
Trunks, now might be your best time. Oh, you're making me nervous.
Is something wrong? Oh,
Yeah.
it's the mask you brought back.
Duh.
Who did this mask belong to, anyway?
Come on, man.
Was
You
it
shouldn't-
Bardock? No, that's not it. Someone else wore this once.
Then who wore it then?
Yeah. I knew the person who wore this mask.
Probably you should know.
We were fighting to bring that person back. It was somebody vitally important.
For the beginning of the journey before me,
We traveled together through history
and before I was there.
and fought to restore it. Oh, it was my partner.
Now you finally realize it, huh?
I found it. It's our history.
She killed Sharon.
It's no good. Everything is falling apart.
Back with me, please. Time's running out.
I'll take care of this somehow.
Please.
We need you to go restore history.
You know I gotta do what needs to be done. So, get downstairs. In the name of justice.
What? What are you doing here? How did you follow me this far? Erasing the Dragon Balls from history. That should have changed the outcome of our battle. Should have changed everything. Wiping out even memories. My plans are all ruined. You people, you really know how to make me What are you looking at?
I'll teach you something fun.
They always do what they want.
I'll teach you something fun.
That's it.
Know what point in history you're trying to change. Won't let you vandalize this place anymore. Looks like we drove her off somehow. We could use strength like that. Yeah, I hope that certain someone shows up.
An admirable effort for a mortal.